Hello everyone, welcome back to Hera's Cozy Kitchen. Today I'm sharing my effortless and perfect lotus cheesecake recipe. For this recipe you need a detachable cake pan. It's easier to use circular sheets of parchment paper, but you can also just cut out a circle like I'm doing here. Don't skip that part. Purpose is to avoid sticking base of our cake to the pan. We want our cheesecake to be crumbly at the bottom, so apply a generous amount of butter to the parchment paper, otherwise your cake will stick to it. I'll be using 1 pack of Lotus biscuits which weighs 250 gram. I kept 2 biscuits on the side for decorating my cake, and now grinding rest of the pack. I'm adding 5 tablespoons of melted butter and continue grinding until it's crumbly and no large chunks remaining. Empty the cookie crumbs onto the pan. This will be the base of your cheesecake. So remember to smoothen it well and press it down. Use any flat utensil or lid of a bottle to help you. I will keep this cake base in freezer for 15 minutes to settle. Now in this stand mixer I am whipping 2 cups of whipping cream. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, take a moment and do that so you don't miss some amazing recipes. You would find Basque cheesecake recipe on my channel. That is another amazing cheesecake recipe. Make sure to watch and try that recipe too. Now empty the stand mixer by transferring whipped cream in another bowl. Now add 400 grams of cream cheese, half cup of icing sugar. This is Lotus Biscoff spread. This jar is 400 grams. I'm adding half of the jar in this cream cheese now, which is around 200 grams. Rest I'll be using for decoration. Now it's time to incorporate this whipped cream in cream cheese mixture. Take small portion of whipped cream. Keep mixing with soft hand until your whipped cream is completely incorporated. Do not use electric whisk at this point because your cream is whipped already and over whipping can cause water in this cream. Now transfer this cream on your cake base. I'm using this palette knife to make my cake smooth. For best results, refrigerate it overnight. I have melted 8 tablespoons of Lotus Biscoff spread in microwave. I like to keep them simple, so I'm just spreading this melted Biscoff spread on the cake. I'm just trying to equally spread it. And some cookie crumbs on edges. If you have guests coming over, Try this recipe and impress your guest. They won't believe that you have made it at home. It tastes exactly same like we eat at cafes. This is a kind of recipe where there are no chances of error. If you follow all the instructions and steps, you will never go wrong with it. If you like this recipe, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching Hira's Cozy Kitchen. I'll see you in my next video.